starting up.
Oh, you're going to start up?
Okay, so we've got the boost, close to 5 pounds there. I guess it was at 5. And there's the starter button, and there's the 2 LEDs for the glow plug controller and when the ignition is on, when the fuel pump's running. It's using 2 RV batteries, a Cummins electric fuel pump, a small boat type fuel tank with a return line added, and that's a new filter. The glow plug controller has a solenoid that I rebuilt, and you can see it's using bolts and nuts to hold it together now after I took it apart. The boost gauge is running from a splice I made into the wastegate, which shuts off at 5 pounds, and I need to fix this small leak that's happening on the oil pressure line. You can see that the motor mounts are attached to the frame of the trailer with these struts. And it's the same on the other side as well. There's a water temperature sender, the oil to the turbocharger. There's the turbocharger outlet. And on this side, there's the strut bolted to the trailer that secures the motor mount. And there's the pump I rebuilt, the power steering pump. And the you can tell when the air filter's clogged. When this thing shows, you should change it. So that's kind of what's happening. And of course, there's a water temperature sender or gauge right there. So all in all, looks like things are working pretty well now.